Hi students, good evening everybody. Welcome to our maths class. Today I am going to explain the solutions of ML Agarwal ISC Mathematics for class 11. For class 11, the topic is limits. Let us see the exercise 13.1. Exercise 13.1 problems I am going to solve. I will explain the solutions of exercise 13.1 from 5th problem onwards. Okay? The question is, first question is limit x square minus 9 upon x minus 3 as x is tending to 3. How do we read this question? Limit of x square minus 9 upon x minus 3 as x is tending to 3 or x tends to 3. Simply to read limit of x square minus 9 upon x minus 3 as x tends to 3. How to solve this? When we do the limits, the first thing is substitution. First we have to substitute the limit in the place of x. X is tending to 3. So, first I am going to substitute the value of x in the place of x. What is the value of x here? 3 square minus 9 upon 3 minus 3. Okay. So, that equal to 9 minus 9, 0 upon 0. So, this type of form is called indeterminate form. What do you call that form? Indeterminate form. When we get this type of form in the limits, that limit is undefined. So we go for further procedure. Okay, whenever we get this type of limits, let us see the method of x square minus 9 upon x minus 3 equal to, let me see the procedure here. See, it looks like, can I go ahead here, can I write 9 as 3 square? Okay, upon x minus 3, right? Limit of, it looks like a square minus b square, right? What is the form of a square minus b square? A plus b of a minus b. Everybody knows fundamental algebraic formula. A square minus b square equal to a plus b of a minus b. So can I write here x plus 3 of x minus 3, x plus 3 of x minus 3 upon x minus 3. Is that clear? It looks like a square minus b square. What is the formula for a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. Right? So x minus 3 gets cancelled. Limit of x plus 3 as x tends to 3. Now, I am going to substitute the limit value. X tends to 3. So, in the place of x put 3. 3 plus 3. What is the value of 3 plus 3? 6. So, you have to remember one thing here. Whenever we substitute the limit value, we should not write limit again. It ends there. Whenever we substitute the limit value as x tends to 3, stop writing the limit again. right? So what is the value of given limit here? Therefore, limit of x tends to 3, x square minus 9 upon x minus 3 is equal to 6. So therefore step is very very important here. So remember that. Hope it is clear. That is the first question, right? Let us see the second question. In fifth, second question, let us see. What do you call 0 by 0 form? Indeterminate form. When we get indeterminate form, what should you do? We have to go for another procedure. Okay? Second question, let us see. In fifth question, second bit, limit of 2x square plus 3x plus 1 upon x square minus 1 as x is tending to minus 1. First, immediately what should you do? We have to substitute the limit in the given expression, right? 2x square plus 3x plus 1 upon x square minus 1. These are all algebraic limits, right? Algebraic expressions we are getting. So limit. So I am going to substitute the value of x in this expression. So I am not going to write limit here. So in the place of x, replace minus 1. So 2 into minus 1 whole square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1 upon minus 1 whole square minus 1. Right? So what are you going to get here? 2 into 1 minus 3 plus 1 minus 1 whole square 1 minus 1. So 3 minus 3 0 upon 0. As I told you earlier, what do you call this form? Indeterminate form. Indeterminate form. Indeterminate form. Right? So we have to go for further procedure. Now I am taking the given limit 2x square plus 3x plus 1 upon x square minus 1. What is the another procedure? Yes, you are right. That is factorization. Everybody knows how to factorize the quadratic expression by splitting middle term, right? So here I have 2x square plus 3x you have here, right? That 3x can I write 2x plus 1x? Can I write 2x plus 1x? Do you agree? X square minus 1 can I write x square minus 1 square? 1 square is also no problem, 1 only. Right? Now I am taking limit x tends to minus 1. Take 2x common. So x plus 1 common, x plus 1 upon looks like x plus 1 into x minus 1. Right? What did I use here formula? A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Right? Hope it is clear. It's a algebraic, high school algebra. Limit x tends to minus 1. Take x plus 1 common. 2x plus 1 upon x plus 1 into x minus 1. This 2 gets cancelled. Right? So what is remaining here? Limit x tends to minus 1. 2x plus 1 upon x minus 1. So this is the remaining. I am going to put the value of x minus 1 here. So since I am putting the value, I am not going to write the limit again. 2 into minus 1 plus 1 by minus 1 minus 1. So minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 by minus 2. So minus minus gets cancelled. What is the value of given limit? Therefore is very important here. Therefore conclusion step, everybody should write 2x square plus 3x plus 1 upon x square minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. That is the end of solution. Hope it is clear.